Hello and welcome back everyone. You are tuning into another episode of Let Me Be Art Tutorials. I'm Golnush and in today's video I'll be creating a beautiful artwork by using leaves, paper napkins and wood glue. I'm going to make a bubble lamp and this project isn't entirely unique and I've seen many variations in pictures and videos about it. But the thing that makes this artwork special is how it captures a piece of nature. Every time I light the lamp, the delicate reflection of the leaves creates a magical reflection and calm atmosphere around me. And I can't wait to share making that art piece with you. much for watching until very end. If you enjoyed making this artwork as much as me, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more art tutorials. I see you in the next episode. Bye for now.